Specialized cleaning takes specialized equipment. When clean air in a controlled environment is critical, the LineVacer offers benefits never found before in the pest management industry. The LineVacer is available in two models, HEPA or ULPA. The true HEPA, or higher efficiency particulate air filter, captures 99.97% of all particulate that is 0.3 microns or larger, and the LineVacer fitted with the absolute ULPA, or ultra-low penetration air filter, removes 99.99% of particulate, 0.12 microns or larger. The LineVacer is extremely versatile, allowing you to vacuum quickly and effortlessly. Weighing in at only 13 pounds, it allows you to climb up ladders, stand on scaffolds, or crawl through tight spaces. The LineVacer features a quiet yet powerful two-stage motor and is designed to fit any size person.